Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Chitapat Wongtham.
My name is Jirana Suksalu.
My name is กมลชนกนางงาม
We are EAC student English for 5 attendant class at Rajmokon University of Technology Suvarnabhumi. So, today we will show you how to deal with the passenger emergency during the flight. Let's begin.
Good morning madam
Good morning.
May I have your passport
Here you
please
go.
Are you checking any bags?
This is one.
Okay, place your bag on the scale. Your flight from Bangkok to Sulis. Your flight leave from the gate 15A and it will begin boarding at 8:30. Your seat number is 20E. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Excuse me, my TV doesn't work.
Oh, really? Maybe can I restart it?
Oh, sure.
It's not working. So would you want to change outer seat?
Of course, I want to see a movie.
Okay. Let me check empty seat for you, and then I will tell you.
Okay,
Okay, please a minute, madam.
thank you.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Sorry, madam. We have no another seat for you. So, you can find some other activities?
What? I paid a lot of money for this seat. Why didn't you check everything completely before takeoff?
Oh, I apologize about that. Would you like something like magazine, novel, or would you want something to
No.
would you write a great book story like Harry Potter?
You Potter?
Yes.
Yes, I like.
Okay, I will bring it to you. Please wait a minute, madam.
Okay.
Okay.
2,000 years later.
Here is Harry Potter. We're sorry again about the mistake.
Don't another mistake.
Okay. I hope you enjoy with Harry Potter.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, madam.
Good morning. เฮ้ย